A clear night, all the ingredients for a showcase game that the passionate crowd demands. I'm Peter Drury, and this is Jim Beglin.
Well, I can tell you, I'm truly delighted to join you, Peter, and thank you very much for that.
Expectations and decibels both rising fast here. Things are heating up, and we'll be getting underway very soon. We have already started here. Well, it's a formation, this, Jim, with a pack. Here's a chance! Now, who's going to be first to this? Raul. And that was very necessary. Now it's Mbappe. Oh, good spread. Now it's Villa.
Any attack containing Raul is a frightening sight for any defence.
His record's a frightening sight.
Well, when you think about it, most of his ilk will put themselves before the team. But Raul is different and has a greater appreciation for all that and likely to put others in.
It's Lewandowski! And he looked every bit the assured keeper there.
Lewandowski actually didn't do an awful lot wrong, to be honest.
Adams. Beckenbauer. Now Costa Curta. David Villa. Costa Curta. Beckenbauer. Saka. And no, that was never going to make it. Alexander-Arnold. He steps in, and that's the end of that.
Well, it's a move of great promise, but will it really prove productive?
Keeper's dealt with that. Saliba gets it clear. Well, that is one way to stop him. Mbappe. That's been slipped through. Face to face with the keeper. And he's there to belt it away. I wonder what you've seen, Jim, over the early moments of the game.
Well, both sides seem happy with the patient approach for now, still trying to have a good look at one another.
Costa Curta. Pass somewhat off target. Pedri. Raul. He can run onto that. Poland are still to register a shot on target. As a matter of fact, a shot of any type. It's a promising position. He's shifting through the gears here.
Well, he was given the time and room initially to hold on to the ball, but eventually he was squeezed that bit harder and the task became too much. I think he's got to be a little quicker in his distribution then and get others into the match.
Now it's Villa. Tries to pass it through. Can he finish? Goal! Poland! More or less by himself, as cool as you like.
Well, he always had the measure of the keeper there. Such confidence and composure.
Poland have fired themselves in front.
It's so often the case with...
There's the shot! And he hits the net! A quite incredible spell. They are flying. We knew what was coming, and he has outfoxed the keeper again.
Oh, that's excellent composure, because the keeper put as much pressure on as he could by not committing sooner.
Poland are sitting pretty, 2-0 up.
This is wonderful front-footed football. The manager will be absolutely thrilled to see his team clicking in every department.
Kupchu. Poland have hit a quick-fire double here and are firmly in the driving seat. 2-0 the score. Rijkaard. And the pass is intercepted. And it's Messi. Pedri. Now Costa Curta. And it's Bellingham. Now it's Villa. Kupchu. Well seen, saw that coming.
That was well played, well stopped.
Showing great feet there. Oh, Riker! Against the crossbar! And he nearly went all the way.
And you can see how the direct approach can work really well. Get yourself on the ball and give it a try.
Pedri.
Poland have turned up with a human blockade. This is top defence.
Raul. That's really well manoeuvred. Beckenbauer. It's Saka. Adams. Costa Curta. Saka. Bellingham. He's got away. Shapes to shoot. Oh, it's come off the upright. Now the delivery.
Well, the goalkeeper's a lucky boy there.
Rijkaard tries to get it clear. Back into the middle. Mbappe. Raul. Lewandowski is onto this. He's gone for goal. Saka. And Adams. And this is Lewandowski. Danger averted for now. Out for a throw. And it's Pedri. Coming up to half-time, leading, and things are looking pretty good. Lewandowski showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it. Tries a shot! Just cruising! They are cruising! And they are pulling clear here. Well, was he ever going to miss that? Of course he wasn't.
Mbappe really can't believe his luck. He was allowed so much room when he should have been boxed in.
3-0, and things are starting to look awfully cosy. Vinicius Junior was ultimately thwarted there, but it took a few of them to stop him.
Well, he's not the type that's short on self-belief, so that could rub off on his teammates now.
That's the keeper's ball. Mbappe, and that interception was most necessary.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Aimed beyond the defence. He can get that clear. And that's another good win of the ball. Raul. Now this could be a chance. Great chance! No, he's missed it. Costa Curta. David Villa. Now it's Bellingham. Nice looking ball. He's through here.
1 minute added time.
That's going to go a long way. And he's quick to snatch it back. Now, can they get him away? He's having a go. Superb from Vinicius Junior. A finish right from the top draw. And they're at it again in double. And the half-time whistle goes. Who would have seen this? By any yardstick, it is pretty much ideal for them.
Poland really are in control here. They've done exactly what they set out to do. There's a genuine flow about their football, and some of the stuff they've played so far has been great on the eye.
Poland are dishing out a mauling here then. It's only half-time, but the game looks sewn up already.
Substitution in progress.
So off we go once more. And this is Messi, Bellingham, and he's searching through. Oh, chance for a shot! And that's past the post.
Well, he looked pretty much unstoppable there. The only thing missing was the finish, of course.
Poland come out of the tunnel having undergone a change at half-time.
Well, I'm assuming that this is going to end up as a tactical change, Peter.
Right card. No way through there. And it's Kutchu. He's tried one! Costa Curta. Yamal. Always onto this. Now there's a fine ball.
That's just playing it safe and simple.
Azar plays the game a step ahead of almost anyone. Looking here to chip it through. Pedri. Right card.
This is the time you need that pace.
Oh, some tackle that. And he skips past his man. He's having a shot! And we have our very first corner. And it's Messi. And now they can spring out of defence. Now it's Bellingham. Well, it didn't look good for a while, but that was brave defending, and they got away with it.
Well, that tackle was immense, and so was the relief. The great escape.
Now it's Messi. Raul. And he's in real chance! Oh, taken with style!
Yeah, to see it unfold as succinctly as that, it looks telepathic.
Manchester United playing for pride here. The match surely beyond them. Costa Curta. Bellingham. And he's picked out the run. Oh, and Messi! Well, now it's a race for the ball. That's a good block, but at the expense of a corner. Beckenbauer goes short. Manchester United have the chance to go the other way. No, that's been intercepted. It looked as though that might lead to something quite promising, but it turned out that that was not the case. That has been cut short. Right card, getting this one clear. Raul threads one in. Oh, good read. Well, that is not the best ball, and he offers an apologetic look.
Well, that's down to a simple miscalculation. No more, no less.
Well, we expected better, and so did he. And it's Serginho. And here's Mbappe. Poland perhaps wondering what the best time is for their next substitution. Oh, facing up to his adversary, this is a formidable matchup.
Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
And smartly reclaimed. Lovely ball and a real chance now. And he welcomes it in. It's a good spell of possession. Goes for a shot! It's anyone's ball now. And he's had a hit. And for sure, that was not one of his best.
Manchester United are stuck in a rut, and impatient putts at goal won't really help their cause here. They need somebody to communicate composure and something more constructive.
Here's a man adored by many, even deified by some. Bellingham. Now it's Messi. Lewandowski given the lift of his goal. Oh, that pass isn't the best. That is ended up in no man's land. Kukçu. Not the most convincing of passes. Well, the ball just didn't work out for the run that he made.
Manchester United clearly should have gone for the easier pass. Now they'll have to quickly regroup.
Oh, what's he giving here? He's given a penalty. Poland presented with a golden opportunity here. To increase the lead. Calm as you like, and they're running away with it. A time for a cool head, and that is precisely what he showed.
A picture of confidence, that was never missing.
Poland are at the peak of their powers. As for their opponents, a long way from that. Azar. Lovely pass, but can he get there? Can he latch on to this? And that is out and behind. It's a good block. Poland have their second corner now. They've played it short, and it's played in. Serginho with the clearance. Manchester United are looking to go forward now. Raul. And this is Lewandowski. Oh, nicely intercepted. Knocks it into space. Great ball if he can get there. Messi will not want to lose out here, not against this opponent. Driving on and making good progress. Alexander-Arnold. And it's Alexander-Arnold. Messi. Messi going face-to-face with his great rival. Bellingham. That has not gone well. Saliba. Manchester United finding their passes. Raul. Spread out to the left. Can he get on the end of this? Raul. Too much on it, and that is an easy claim for the keeper. Nicely weighted ball. Poland couldn't do a whole lot with it there. They could do with more sharpness in their passing. Saliba. Pedri. Now it's Lewandowski. Played out to the right. Another pass just keeps it ticking over. The ball has bounced loose now, and it's Alexander-Arnold. Great defending, strong and determined. Nicely shaped ball. Lovely pass, but can he get there? Dealt with nicely by the defence. He's a sharp little ball here. Stood up well to him there. Distributed tidily. Lewandowski unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. Alexander-Arnold. Raul. And that has left him in a heap. Oh, that's a foul, and the whistle's gone.
Well, he was the one player you had to keep away from the area. Not the best way to do it, though.
Kukçu ready to try one. This then an ideal chance to cut the deficit. Messi! Brought out the best in the keeper. Poland clearly now in lead preservation mode. Pedri. And that Pass is somewhat less than ideal.
Well, everything up to the final pass looked decent. They just couldn't pick out that killer ball.
Mbappe.
There will be 3 minutes added time.
And the number on the board is 3. Now it's Azar. Messi. Pedri. Tries to play it through. Oh, he's found support out wide. He's picked his way through. Poor robust challenge. That's really well cleared. Pedri. And there goes the final whistle. Well, that was a shimmering